Hi, I'm Graham Dossel, founder and CEO of MyCRA Specialist Credit Repair Lawyers in Brisbane. We're the only specialist credit repair law firm in the entire country that works exclusively in the area of credit reporting and default judgment and inquiry removal. And I'm just getting a car wash. You can probably see, hopefully it's not going to be too loud. But I was just thinking about some broker meetings I got later today and what brokers' frustrations are. One of the biggest frustrations we hear from brokers is that they don't find out about a client's default or bad credit rating until it's too late. They spend all the time, effort and energy going through and lodging the application form only to have the application refused because they've put it with a prime lender that won't take defaults. So disclose everything to your broker. They're on your side. They're there to help you. Help them help you. Oh, it might be a bit loud. Help them help you by disclosing everything to them. Get a copy of your Equifax and your Illion credit files. It's actually probably a better idea to do it before you speak to your broker. If you need a hand, we can get those for you as well. You can call on 1300 667 218. That's 1300 667 218, and we'll get you a copy of your credit files. At least then you'll know what's on there, and if there's a problem, you can get it fixed before you lodge your application, which is probably a much better idea. Anyway, Graham Dossel, MyCRA Specialist Credit Repair Lawyers, 1300 667 218. Thanks.